Chase from Fruitland Park, Florida, has a question about Hardie siding.
Does he ever hear? Take a look at this. This is a project he's working on right here, okay?
Like it?
Okay, here's his question. This is a technical one. Be prepared, kids. This is like inside baseball stuff. When installing board and batten in the gable ends, should I install Hardie sheet first, then trim it in Aztec using no Z-flashing, or should it be trimmed out with Aztec and flash the top side and then the bottom trim board, then install the Hardie inside the trim? He says he's seen it both ways. He wants to know which one you'd recommend.
If you're going to do a board and batten look, put the Hardie down first, and then go ahead and put your trim on top, whether it's Aztec or you use Hardie or whatever product you're using. But always put your back material first and make sure it's all sealed up well, and then go ahead and just trim it to any way you want.
Okay, so board and batten, what does that mean?
That means it looks, he's just putting those batten strips down to make it look like in the old days you would take a big board and then you would put a batten strip over the top of it.
Okay.
And the boards never touched, and that way the boards could move.
All right.
Excuse me. And the battens would cover the seam.
Okay. See, that's why he's the home improvement guy.
Yeah.
That's why you send him.
Very exciting.
That's why you send him your questions, because he answers them just like that. And if you send us yours at HomeShowRadio.com, we will do the same for you, just like these videos over here. And by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and click the bell, we will ring yours whenever we post a new one.